I'm gonna show you how to make a chai tea latte at home. So get your favorite chai tea mix. It's usually found in the coffee aisle in your grocery store. I'm gonna pour a half a cup right into my easy read measuring cup. Generally you do equal parts the chai tea and milk. And I'm gonna use just some whole milk. You can use a barista approved plant-based milk if you want to. There we go. And now we're gonna put it all right into the new electric milk frother. The inside of this, let me show you, has a little whisk that comes out and it whips everything up and it heats it up. It's non-stick. This does have a cord on it. So we're just gonna pour it in there. And on the front, you can decide if you want high foam, low foam, no foam, or cold foam. So for today, I'm gonna choose the low foam and then hit start. It's going to take about a minute. The light will go off and it will be ready. So let's let it do its thing. It's all done and I'm telling you, this is like magic. I'm gonna bring it close to the camera so you can see. This took just under 2 minutes. Look at all of that. Look how full it is. So we're just gonna pour it into a glass. I love using clear glass for things like this because it's just so impressive. You're gonna use a non-metal spoon to hold back the foam and then pour out the tea by itself. And then we'll let the foam come over the top when it's done. So the whole drink is, look at this, is really, really hot, creamy, and wonderful. And you can make your own chai tea lattes at home for such a fraction of the cost. And you can have it whenever you want to. So when you've used this with milk, you're gonna wanna clean it up right away. I like to use our new round brush. You don't wanna submerge it, just fill it with a little bit of soapy water, brush it out. It actually comes with a little brush, wipe it out, and it'll be ready for the next time. If you wanna add a little something special, just dust it with a little bit of cinnamon. And there you have it. Chai tea latte you made yourself. Look at those layers. Delicious.